Hey, Ghostette Dani here, another room tour. So we are at Old Key West, and we are on South Point Road in building 54. We are in the Deluxe Studio. So, here we go. So we're in the entrance right now. It is, I will say, it is quite a spacious room, like for being a standard 2-bed room. So we've got the 2 queen beds, and as I always do, I'll tell you the mattresses. They were pretty good in this one. I slept pretty comfortably. I didn't wake up in a lot of pain, so the mattress is pretty good here. I like them. I like the pillows too. So pretty much just your basics in this area. I like how we have like a light over each bed, but I will say they are quite bright. Like we couldn't really sleep when even one of them was on. So just so you know, this isn't the kind of thing you can kind of use yours to read while other people are sleeping. So we have our lovely little corner terrace out here. We're looking at, in this particular room, we're looking at the golf course. It does look pretty. It's certainly better than, a parking lot option, but I will say we do have a lot of road noise. The freeway's right there behind those trees, and you definitely hear it. So small little dining area. And then this is a potentially adjoining room. So behind this door is another door to the other room. This is very much like if you've been in the if you've been in the 2-bedroom villa. Basically, this is just the 2nd bedroom that has the 2 beds. We were in a 2-bedroom villa earlier this very trip, and when we walked into this room, we realized this is quite literally just the 2nd bedroom of the 2-bedroom villa. So, dresser, TV. I like how they've got the TV on this nifty, we've got it on a swivel thing so you can angle it at either bed or maybe at the table area if you wanted to. Ooh, I guess I better be more careful. Little kitchenette area, so we've got mini fridge. Now the mini fridge is kind of one of those things where technically there's the freezer in it, but we will tell you, not a true freezer. It is not keeping things frozen. It's just a little bit colder than the fridge. Microwave, which is nice. More and more rooms are not having microwaves. It's a small one, but you do have it. So bring your leftovers back and you'll be able to reheat them, which is great. The shelf area is nice for getting stuff off the counter and out of your way. Tiny little kitchen sink. The paper towels I did not find immediately, so they're under there. And closet with your hangers, cleaning supplies. I kind of feel like this really only functions as the supply closet or a closet, because while they give you hangers, you can't really hang a lot in here because you're going to be shoving it in amongst all of these cleaning supplies. Go, and we've got the nice big full-length mirror on the door, which is great. And then in here, so bathroom, so you've got 2 different lights. You have the vanity light, the rest. So the usual amenities, which we like, those are great. And then obviously your shelving and everything down here, hair dryer. We've got outlets. Oh, that is the other thing. I haven't seen any USB ports in this room. I think it's just regular outlets in this room. So if you need USB, you might need to bring either the wall adapter or some other sort of go-between. The shower, it's pretty roomy, which is nice. We have the refillables and the little shelf. The clothesline, the pull-out clothesline, which is awesome. The shower situation, I would say it's a very standard shower head. It does not move. You can't turn it to the side or up and down. It's not the best shower if you're short like me. The pressure was okay, and there wasn't a lot coming out in sort of the center of the shower head. So by the time it gets down to someone shorter, your water's a little parsed out. And then just got the towels back here. So, all in all, pretty basic, but it is nice. We've been happy here. So today Lilo is also here with us, and our son. 4 people is definitely a lot for this room. It's not the worst. We have space. There's definitely space to walk around. You've got the high bed, so you can definitely get all of your suitcases underneath there. So I don't know, how did you feel, Producer Dan? It's not big, but it's not small.
Yeah, it's like a large hotel room.
Yes, yeah. I would say it definitely is larger than a comparable room at a different type of hotel as far as floor space anyway. Ceiling fan, and temperature controls. So yeah, I mean, I would say nothing super special, but has everything you need, definitely works. And oh, I'll correct myself really quick. We have 2 USB ports right over here on the center nightstand. So 2 USB ports for in the whole room.
So bring chargers with USB.
So yeah, we'll probably need to be aware of that. But anyway, so yeah, takeaway. It's fairly spacious. It's all right. We've been pretty happy, but I think, I mean, definitely even one more person, or if we had been 4 adults rather than one of us being a child, it would have been a little bit challenging. So, but anyway, so, and last time we're at Old Key West on South Point Road in a Deluxe Studio.